Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you numerous way of booting your notebook or your PC or your laptop into resetting mode, okay? Or if you have a system that is having a boot loop or keep on restarting itself, this video will help you fix your computer as well. So let's go ahead and start this real quick. The notebook that I have, it is Lenovo. So for those users, if you have a Lenovo laptop, this is what I'm going to show you guys real quick, okay? Normally your Lenovo button is right next to your power button. So if you open this your notebook, as you can see, there's a power button right there, and then there is your Lenovo button, which is pretty small and tiny. You will need to use like a pen or a ballpoint pen or like a pencil tip to press that button down, and that would allow you to boot to resetting mode. This one is the ideal pad 100S. Okay, so for example, if you have like a 320S or some other model, so the Lenovo button might be on the side somewhere around here, either left and right hand side, but for the 320 it will be on the right hand side when you open your notebook up, okay? And some of them might be on the left hand side somewhere, okay? And then for those users that they are using like a Dell or HP or other system, you have to press F11. You need to shut down your computer first, and once you press the power, you gotta keep on tapping the F11 key continuously, okay? Keep on tapping until you see the pop-up menu, and I'm gonna show you guys on how to boot to the resetting mode on your window. So if you have a password, you need to type in a password. Unless you forgot about your password, then for those users who forgot about the password, then you need to press F11 once you turn on your computer. Or for the Lenovo, it is you gotta press the Lenovo button that I just showed you. So if you know your password, you just need to enter in. Go to your lower left hand side and click on the start. And then you want to go to the setting gear icon right there and click on setting. And then right here, I'm going to maximize it. You need to click on update and security. And then on the left hand side, go to recovery. And then you want to go to reset this PC. Click on the get started right here. And then right here, if you want to keep your file or remove remove everything, and then click on it. But to be warned, this will erase everything on your computer. So make sure you have a copy of it. Whatever file, video, picture, you need to back up everything, or else everything will be wiped out, okay? So in case that does not work, there's another option for you to try. You want to go ahead and then press your shift key, press it down while you click on the start window on the lower left hand side right here, and click on the power right there, and then hit restart while you're pressing the shift key. And then this will take you to the menu to reset your Windows. Alright, so here you go. And then with this menu, we're going to go ahead and then click on Troubleshoot. and then click on reset this PC again. And again, there are two options for you to choose: keep my file or remove everything. If you want to delete everything, reset to back to the factory reset or factory setting, you're gonna click on remove everything. So since I did everything already, I'm not gonna do it this time. So let's go ahead and try on the Novo button. All right, so I'm gonna use this number 2 pencil and just press and tap on that Novo button, and then you'll give it a boot menu. Just press it, and then your system should boot up. There you go. So it says Novo button menu. No more startup, bio setup, boot menu, or system recovery. You want to go ahead and click on system recovery, and then press enter. All right, so as you can see, we have same option right here for you to choose. So if you want to, you can click on troubleshoot again, and then reset the PC again, okay? And it will ask you to keep my file or remove everything. Another thing is, if you want, you could go to advanced options, and then you could do like a start repair or a command prompt right here, or do a system restore, uninstall updates, and all whatever stuff that you need to do. So let's go back and then start this PC in Windows 10. And then the next step is I want to show you guys how to fix it if you still keep on having this error message, cannot resetting your PC and all this stuff, or if your system is still keeping, if your Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 still getting this reboot issues or restart by itself, and you want to follow the next step. All right, so you want to go ahead and then click on your start menu on the lower left hand side of your window, and then you're going to go search CMD for command DOS prompt. And then as you can see right here, you're going to run as an administrator. Or if you want, you can click on the right hand side of your mouse, right next to command prompt, and then run as an administrator. And then you're going to click on yes. You want to go ahead and then go to your main hard drive. You're going to type in CD with the slash, and then you're going to type in dir. Make sure you have the correct drive. So you should have program files, Windows, users, and all those stuff. So that means you are in the correct drive. And then perf logs. If you don't see this, it could be D drive or whatever drive, or X or Y or something like that. But so the next command, you're going to type in CD space / Windows / System32 / config config, and then enter. And then you're going to type in md, which is make directory. You're going to type in md and then backup. That means make a directory for backup, okay? And then you press enter. So make sure you don't have any backup previously that you created. So in case if you have a backup already, you might want to go ahead and then type in backup 1 or backup 2. You're going to type in copy ***, and then space, and then backup. And then after that, you're going to press enter. And then the next command will be you'll be typing a cd space reg and then back back and then press enter. And then next command it will be copy copy asterisk period asterisk space and then 2 period and then press enter. And then when you say override, you're gonna type in A for all and then press enter. So after that, you're gonna type in exit to exit out the command prompt, and you're gonna do restart your system, and that should be able to fix your Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 that's having a black screen or rebooting or restart issues. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.